Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG 2025, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, चिपमैर, कृष्ण मेडिकल कॉलेज वैल्यूर, IIPH, निमहांस बेंगलोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, राजीव गांधी हेल्थ यूनिवर्सिटी, कालोजी नारायण यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. So here important topics will be discussed for public health and hospital administration entrance exams. So first topic name is intelligence quotient IQ. So information regarding intelligence quotient IQ will be given. This is very interesting and important topic. Intelligence quotient IQ is a score derived from one of several different standardized tests attempting to measure intelligence. First intelligence tests were developed by Binet and Simon 1896. Stern's IQ test, originally IQ was calculated for children. So formula for IQ is mental age upon chronological age into 100. So this is the formula for IQ, that is intelligence quotient IQ equal to mental age upon chronological age into 100. Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale WAIS, David Wechsler in 1939 published the first intelligence test designed for an adult population. It was the first IQ test based on normal Gaussian distribution. So key point IQ equal to mental age upon chronological age into 100. Levels of intelligence based on IQ levels. Levels of intelligence IQ range. So levels of intelligence for idiot IQ range is 0 to 24. For imbecile IQ range is 25 to 49. For moron IQ range is 50 to 69. For borderline IQ range is 70 to 79. For low normal IQ range is 80 to 89. Normal IQ range is 90 to 109. So for normal is IQ range 90 to 109. Superior 110 to 119. Very superior 120 to 139. Near genius 140 and over. Categories of mental retardation based on IQ levels. Mental status IQ range. Normal IQ range 70 and over. Mild mental retardation IQ range 50 to 69. Moderate mental retardation IQ range 35 to 49. Severe mental retardation IQ range 21 to 34. Profound mental retardation IQ range 20 or below. Now topics related to sociology. Accumulation is cultural contact. Learned behavior which is socially acquired. Learned behavior which is socially acquired is known as culture. Relationship between the disease and social conditions. Social pathology. So relationship between the disease and social condition is known as social pathology. Study of physical, social and cultural history of man is. Study of physical, social and cultural history of man is known as anthropology. Society is a system of relations between individuals. Child W for H greater than 2 HD of mean, H for age less than 2 HD of mean. Stunted Social psychology is psychology of individual in society. Estimated children affected by trafficking every year 1.2 million. So 1.2 million estimated children affected by trafficking every year. Poverty line can be defined in terms of daily calorie intake. So poverty line can be defined in terms of daily calorie intake. In interview, first stage is to establish contact. So in interview, first stage is to establish contact. Complete extension of family occurs when at first child leave home. So complete extension of family occurs when its first child leave home. IQ level, IQ formula. So formula for IQ, intelligence quotient is mental age upon chronological age into 100. So formula for IQ, that is intelligence quotient is mental age upon chronological age into 100. Mental retardation if IQ level. So if IQ level is less than 70, then it is known as mental retardation. Normal IQ is 90 to 109 IQ points. So normal IQ is 90 to 109 IQ points is normal IQ. IQ level in severe mental retardation 21 to 34 IQ points. So IQ level in severe mental retardation is 21 to 34 IQ points. A person with an IQ of 55 is mild mental retardation. Severe mental retardation is intelligence quotient 20 to 34. So if intelligence quotient is 20 to 34, then it is severe mental retardation. IQ equal to 35 to 49 classified according to WHO is. So if IQ is 35 to 49, then it is classified according to WHO is moderate mental retardation. Mild mental retardation is defined when IQ is 50 to 69 IQ points. Now next topic is water. So this is from questions from water. Disinfecting action of chlorine is due to. So disinfecting action of chlorine is due to hypochlorous acid. Disinfecting action of chlorine is due to hypochlorous acid. Residual level of chlorine in water minimum 0.5 milligram into contact period 1 hour. Temporary hardness of water is due to calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. Temporary use of Horrocks apparatus, stars iodine indicator. So what is the use of Horrocks apparatus, stars iodine indicator? Chlorine demand estimation. Level of residual level of chlorine in water. Level of residual level of chlorine in water 0.5 ppm milligram per liter for contact period 1 hour. Maximum tolerable level of nitrates in water. Maximum tolerable level of nitrates in water 50 milligram per liter. Recommended residual chlorine level in swimming pool. So recommended residual chlorine in swimming pool greater than and equal to 1 milligram per liter. Softening of water is recommended above hardness greater than 150 milligram per liter. Main disinfection in chlorination of water is by hypochlorous acid. So main disinfection in chlorination of water is by hypochlorous acid. Clostridium perfringens cause dash pollution. Correct is water pollution. So Clostridium perfringens cause water pollution. Next is standard for bacterial water quality in small community supplies. Standard for bacterial water quality in small community supplies. No coliforms. Bleaching powder required for disinfection of water is found by. Correct is Horrocks apparatus. In slow sand filter responsible for yielding bacteria free water is. So in slow sand filter responsible for yielding bacteria free water is correct is vital layer. Process of defluoridation of water is, correct answer is Nalgonda technique. So process of defluoridation of water is, correct is Nalgonda technique. Next is chloride level dash is said to be accepted by WHO. Correct answer is 200 mg per liter. So chloride level of 200 mg per liter is said to be accepted by World Health Organization. Bacterial indicator of recent contamination of water. Bacterial indicator of recent contamination of water. Correct answer is facial streptococci. Next is confirmatory test for coliform count in drinking water. Confirmatory test for coliform count in drinking water. Correct is Ekman test. Next is fresh bleaching powder contains. Correct answer 33% chlorine. Vital layer of slow sand filter is, correct answer is smooth Decker Joglial A layer. Next is instrument used for recording very low air velocities. So name the instrument used for recording very low air velocities. Correct answer is catothermometer. Catothermometer is the instrument which is used for recording very low air velocities. 1 chlorine tablet is efficient to chlorinate dash liters of water. Correct is 20 liters. So 1 chlorine tablet is efficient to chlorinate 20 liters of water. Instrument used for recording very low air velocities is catothermometer. Upper limit of fluoride in drinking water should be, correct answer is 1.5 ppm WHO according to WHO. As per Indian standards for drinking water, desirable pH is, correct answer is 6.5 to 8.5. Next is presumptive coliform count include that bacteria. Presumptive coliform count include that bacteria. Correct is all coliform bacteria. So in this video, information regarding some very important topics like intelligence quotient and water has been given for the preparation of various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER, Christian Medical College Vellore, IIPH, Nimhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, etc. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.